Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do an open cup, just a plastic cup that I cut, and I mixed my paints today with Pentart silicone oil, and I have primary colors and white and black, and I will start with this puddle of white here in the middle. And I will put this down, and I will pour from up high some primary cyan and primary magenta and primary yellow and maybe a little bit of white and cyan again and magenta. Whoop! Didn't want that drip. And as you can see, some reaction is already happening. And I think that I will not add any black because I'm afraid that it will ruin this. Okay. And I will blow in here now. And I have silicone oil in here, so I will get some cells too. So I will just tilt this a little towards the middle first. I will just add a little white on the corners, and then I will spin it out. I will just wet my corners here. It should be okay. So let's spin this, shall we? And now I will torch this. And I will try to get a lot of cell reaction this time, because I will just correct this middle a little bit, because it's like in a spiral shape, so I want this to continue to this part, the middle part too, before I will torch. Okay, so let's do that. My torch will die. Where is my other one? What I'm thinking is to roll a marble through in a spiral shape, and then I will spin it once more. Because I want some kind of spiral line. It is already, but still I think that I just need something. So let's put this in the middle. Okay, and one more spin. Want to tilt a little bit of this just to correct the shape a little bit if I can. Probably not. Not sure if the marble here was the right decision, but I can't go back now. I just miss because it's anywhere, so it needs to be here too. I don't know. I'm really not crazy about this painting, so I will just try to do a swipe. A swipe with black. I will just pour black here in the middle. And use my paper napkin. I will spray it a little bit with water. Let's see. Don't do a lot of swipes. I will use my napkin because it's bigger and I will not spray it at all. I will just go like that. Oop. Let's see. Something will happen or my black is too thick. Obviously. Okay, the other side. But what I was hoping for is here, but not on the other half. But at the end, I think that it's kind of cool because it looks like a reflection or something, and I'm really happy. So I will just torch this out a lot. I will paint the sides probably with black later, not here because it should be like that, I think. Wow. So here is a close-up. At the end, I like it. It was so, I don't know, it just wasn't, it was hard to get here to this part that I like it, and I really like now how it looks here, more muted, or how can I say, than up there, because kind of looks like a reflection or something, kind of. So ended up with the open cup that ended up with the swipe. This is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!